Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start now, plug the iPhone into power and keep it connected. Once charging, quickly confirm the SIM status in settings. Physical or eSIM must be recognized. If not, reset the SIM tray. Make sure you know the Apple ID and Wi-Fi password. You'll need them. While you prepare, force restart the phone to clear transient errors. Press volume up, then volume down, then hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. This clears temporary faults and gets you ready for the next step. Once done with the restart, toggle airplane mode on, wait 5 seconds, then off to reinitialize cellular radios. If SOS persists, go to Settings General Transfer or Reset iPhone Reset Network Settings. This removes saved Wi-Fi networks and VPN profiles, so re-enter credentials afterwards. Next, check Settings General Software Update and install any iOS update. Carriers push fixes via software update and carrier settings, so accept prompts. These steps rebuild the network stack and often resolve SOS-only issues without data. If SOS remains, back up your iPhone now to iCloud or to a Mac/PC using Finder or iTunes. Don't skip the backup. Then put the phone into recovery mode and choose Restore via Finder or iTunes. This reinstalls iOS and refreshes baseband firmware. Once restored, sign back into Apple ID and reconfigure carrier settings. If the phone still shows SOS only, contact your carrier to confirm provisioning and EMA status, and escalate to Apple support. Hardware rating.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.